This is the Hach kit we are using for total hardness test. Okay, start the test. This sample we have taken before the softener from the tanks. One, two, three, 4, 5. This is 5 drops we have added of manware. This is hardness indicator. It will indicate the water how much hard it is. Then number 2, we'll add 5 drops of this one. Okay, add. This is buffer solution. If the color is reddish, that means water is hard. Okay. Now we'll add the third drop, which will indicate how many grains of hardness in this water. That is before the softener. Okay, how many drops will indicate that many grains per gallon hardness is there in the water. There is no drops in it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. It will change the color. 4, 5, 6, 6. Add one more. 6 to 7. You can see the water color is blue, so 7 hardness. This is before the softener. So we are dealing with 7 hardness. Next test we will do for the chlorine.